Christmas?
Yeah. Ezra, did you get everything that you wanted from Santa?
Alright, but we're all done. Okay.
Ezra, are there any more presents up there for you?
This one?
I don't know.
That might be Sissy's.
Is that yours?
Is there anything that you want to ask for that you didn't get?
This mine?
It could be. Why don't you grab it? Whoa. What is that?
Right there. Right.
What did you ask for Santa for Christmas?
You got your helicopter?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the only thing you asked for, isn't it? Is that what you asked for? The only thing you asked for. An orange one? What color is this one?
White.
Oh, it's white. I don't remember you telling Santa you wanted an orange helicopter. I bet you this one is really neat.
I want it.
Let's see it. Can you turn it around so Mommy can see?
Say, look at my helicopter.
Wow, that's just like at the hospital. That's the rescue helicopter that they use at the hospital, honey. Wow.
My God. This one.
Are you happy, Ezra?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay.